earn $500 every time you post on Facebook for free. Hello guys, today we are using Facebook to earn money, as you already know, but I'll be combining another platform along with Facebook in order to make this work, as anyone can see who's in the group and what they post. And since convincing someone to buy something is much harder, you will easily be able to get far more people to your affiliate link using CPL offers. So there's a huge potential that you make more money from this strategy than anything else. The perfect website to use. Each and every person will sign up to the website for free in order to win the giveaway, and you will get paid. As I said, win and win, paid. Here's a bonus tip. Guys, check out the first link down in the description to watch the full video. And I really hope you guys will get some value out of this video, and if you do, don't forget to like it, leave a thumbs up down below, and if you haven't already, then subscribe to Money Machine YouTube channel as well, and click the bell icon so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video to that channel.